It's possible. It is very possible.
That rock looks like it's going to go in a really uncomfortable place.
Ow, stay here.
Why would so bad about up there?
Because I'm just trying to get my footing.
Oh. You going up or what?
I'm going to try.
No, my eyes there. I'm fine. Yeah, mine's kind of bright with the diamond. What that was,
What's this left one for?
That's just a different fork, that's all. You can do either or both.
I'm gonna take like a teensy break right here. Yeah, that keyhole.
Yeah.
If it weren't for them two like rocks slamming against each other, I could have went through that.
Yeah, I don't fit.
You all grab a sledgehammer and take them down like that.
No, that takes the fun away.
Oh no. So where would this one lead to?
That one dead ends.
That one dead ends?
That one, it dead ends now. He's opening it up. It's going to take him quite a few years to get that open.
Did they find something over it?
Well, he thinks it's going to loop and connect to another passage, so that you could do a loop instead of an out and back.
Okay, how are we gonna get back?
You're just going to go back this way, behind me.
Okay. Is this like the final part?
There's more if you want to.
Alright, good. Thank you. Hello! Alright, I'm gonna go down this left one by myself.
All right.
How about like there's a small bridge right here, like way down?
I'm not. What do you know you're not? You wear like the skin tightest shirt ever.
I'll be down here.
Where was I supposed to go?
Stop farting, dude.
I'll be down here.
Quiet, stop farting.
Holy crap.
People are coming back.
Yeah.
Do you want your headlamp changed?
I think so. I don't know if the battery was low
Yeah.
or if it's an older one.
I think it's low. I'm going to go sit down someplace so I can
That's a sweet way to leave.
do this.
I got that bottom of that one round. I don't know how far I gotta go to the ground, but
I just went the same way I came in. Yeah, it's too low for me to put my legs in there.
dude, you got something around your foot.
What?
You got the bags around your foot.
No, I don't.
Don't fart it. Not the loud one too. You ever hear the one? He has smelled it, don't it?
Oh. Take that one off, put this one on. Ooh, yeah. Whew. Yeah, it's been 2 hours. How you guys feeling?
My age.
Uh-huh. His age. You got 15 years on me.
It's One thing I'm ever thankful for is God's given me an athletic body.
So much.
No matter how much I eat and don't exercise, I
Wow,
still keep up.
that's good.
It's my
Oh
life.
So I saw white crystals through the limestone up there. What is that? Is that just calcite?
Yeah, yeah, it's just all calcite.
I wasn't sure if there's anything fun or exciting in here.
And dirt, my foot is full.
I can actually see the rocks now.
I fell in a hole.
Burn hole,
The
fire.
backpack fell in a
Right
hole.
down
So
there.
did you
Yeah, I
guys bring
know it
dirt in
fell
and
over
smooth
there.
this out, or?
Nah, we should. There's a puddle there. The water must be coming in from there then.
Oh my gosh.
I know it comes in from up there. There's a
Did you figure
way
out
water
where
comes
it
in.
at?
Yeah, we saw a bucket up there full of water.
Yeah,
Rock.
Beautiful.
yeah. He's using that to haul dirt out to try to open that passage up some. There's another passage that it connects to by voice,
You guys hear that?
so that he wants to open it up
It's a
to make it
vibrating.
a full loop.
Ash must have.
That'd be cool to have a hole
Yeah.
in here.
Yeah, it's going to take him a long time to do it.
Oh,
Because
it's some talking.
he has so many projects going on.
I'm so.
People like that usually do.
Yeah.
So bad.
You don't know anything about that.
I smell horrible.
You're fine.
Yeah, that's still dripping. Okay, good. Well, you guys can decide what you want to do. Like I said, it's been 2 hours, so this is the point where you figure out if you want to keep on going. We can go behind us, over the big rocks, and there's a little hole into another room. And then from there, you can either go onto a really tight long crawl or start heading out
I want to go through those rocks and then go back.
through the rocks.
Like the big rocks and then go back. Like go to that room and then come backwards.
But back behind me, you mean?
Yeah, and
Climb
then.
over the big rocks?
Yeah,
Okay.
and then like leave that after that.
Leave after that? Okay.
Yeah,
We
we're
could-
probably good to start working our way back. How long does it take to work our way back?
We're about 15, 20 minutes. Maybe 20 minutes out.
Oh, that's not that bad.
No, well, this is a smaller group, so maybe
Oh,
15.
why did you haven't brought it up the process?
It's,
I was thinking like an hour or something like that.
oh, no, that's why I like this cave. No matter where you are, you're really only like 15, 20 minutes away from the entry.
What do you think, Mr. Jacob?
Whatever you want.
You sound tired. What is that?
That's a tired looking face.
You're still young.
Well, my ex has my kids tonight, so I want to leave some energy for her. Don't want to make it too easy.
Yeah.
What are you thinking, Dom? Tired?
No, my neck hurts because I'm bending it up and down all the time.
Yeah.
I'm starting to
Just let it
plant.
rest. Those two are in the one cave to the left.
Dom, how
Okay.
crampy are you right now?
Cramping?
Yeah, how bad?
Oh, I don't cramp. I eat
Are you
too much
serious?
energy drinks that I like. The
Yeah.
amount of potassium in there is just.
Lucky
I just
you.
don't. Also,
I am
I've been
so regretting not grabbing an extra pair of shoes currently.
I warned all y'all repeatedly.
I
Mhm.
thought I
Did
grabbed
you
my
put that
slides.
bucket there?
Hmm?
That bucket.
That's for hauling dirt.
It's
He's
full
digging
of
back
water.
there.
I don't know.
The Cave of the Mountains has fossils in the
Really?
limestone there, yeah.
Mhm.
I heard they're talking about making Laurel Caverns a state park or something like that.
That'd be cool.
I think it already did.
Did they
They're
already?
in the process. They acquired the land, but I don't know. You gotta get the right people to run the tours and insurance and all that.
Yeah, I think that'd be so cool.
There's a lot of caves in that area, and if you know the right people, you can get in them.
Well, you guys, you spelunkers are all kind of a tight network, aren't you?
Yeah, yeah, it's,
How's it going up there?
I've been able to get into a cave down there that's
Oh, it's in my shoe.
not a commercial cave. It was really
In my
cool
shoes, in my
because it
shoes.
had all these signatures from the Civil
It does
War
not feel nice.
Oh, that's cool.
that were in there, and it was, I don't know, it's just one of those things I kind of get a kick out of seeing stuff like that.
It's one of those funny things that modern vandalism's not so attractive, but when you get back to something, you're like,
Yeah,
wow.
when you see that, and there were signatures from both the north and the south. So depending on who had control of the area, who was actually using that cave for a shelter. Okay, we got another one back.
Yeah.
2 more.
One more.
Oh, wait for Wyatt?
Yeah.
He's fine. He's a
We
scout.
going to another area?
You're right, he is. He's a Boy Scout, so.
He's a big boy.
Whoa, my gosh.
I don't allow your stuff.
I'll make it.
I'm gonna head back.
Too far.
Also, someone, oh, wait, that's why.
What I always wanted to do is,
What?
during the off-season, Mammoth Cave has a cleanup
Why someone's here?
crew type thing. You can volunteer to go and clean the inside of Mammoth Cave, and you get to go into places that people don't normally go.
Well, I know
There we
Laurel
go.
used to have a Boy Scout program that was,
This one?
you didn't go on the main path, you went on
Oh,
He's
yeah.
in the hole! It's
Very
a
cool.
hobbit! The hobbit is in the hobbit hole!
There's a lot of holes through there if you want to explore.
Holy, there's a lot of holes.
They're all over the place here. There,
I dare you to
back
crawl
behind
through
me.
that.
That's
Crawl through it.
That's a foot, that's a 3
Oh, I'm
foot.
rusting
That's
here.
like
I need,
2 to
yeah,
3
I
foot.
slid
I
my
can
knee.
see there used to be a column
I
there.
ain't going
Yeah.
to.
Here, that's
Oh, yeah.
Fine, Don will go through the hobbit hole.
Where did all the columns go and stuff? Did they just haul them out?
I think people just stole them.
Stolen.
You were sitting on my
I
hand.
can't.
Unless
You were
some of
literally
them
sitting on my hand.
broke off and fell
You
down.
put your hand on the only rock.
How did they steal the columns?
Your
Snap
fault.
them and carry them out.
That's right. Ugh.
Yeah, I lived in Yellowstone, and Yellowstone used to have a petrified forest.
I
But
know.
in the teens and the 20s,
Don's
everybody
going
would
through
ship
the
the stone
hole.
Alright,
away.
everyone's here.
Yeah.
Now they've got one big
Hang on, Don's going through the hole.
stump left.
I want to get through it. Let me through the.
I'm taking a break real quick.
He's going through the hole.
All right.
Wait, wait.
Don's going through.
All right, go ahead.
Are we just gonna
Why is there
take
so many sharp pointy rocks?
Are we taking,
Because-
It's like it's a
You're in
camera or
a
something.
cave?
are we taking a break or are we moving on?
Just real quick break.
We're in Don go through the hole.
Where's the floor?
In a cave.
Out there.
I know, right?
I love you.
Oh, why is it so sharp and pointy?
Because we're in a cave, Dominic.
Yo, but that doesn't mean it has to be sharp and pointy.
He probably goes.
They're natural rocks?
You're a natural rock.
Well, thank you.
Lights?
You just called her a rock. With rocks are durable.
You're terrible.
Thank you.
His middle name is Rock, so it
I'm
doesn't
very
really.
adorable.
Ow.
I'm not.
Y'all make me
That
tweak
was my
out.
foot.
How was that, Dom? Was it fun?
No.
I don't know if paper beats it though.
Where's
Does
that?
it go up this way
Uh,
at all?
yes. Wait.
One of them goes up and around.
Dominic.
Oh, it does.
Charlie said it though.
It does, but it's another cave.
I made it into like a sash.
Oh, you
It's
got
way
it?
too-
Okay.
Kind of.
It does, but it's too skinny for anyone here to fit through.
Okay.
Yeah, but you.
Okay, there's a bunch of them up here.
Yeah.
If you want to go explore,
Let's go explore, guys.
you can go explore and climb some big rocks. And we'll take a break.
Alright, we're taking a break. I'm eating my beef stick.
Oh, come on.
Beef steak.
What I want to do is like on our way out, that
I'm
one
hungry right now.
is like on top of that big
Oh.
shelf there at the very
Something
beginning, like that little tube tunnel thing. I want to go through there.
Oh yeah, this light's way
Where?
At the beginning, like once we climbed over that little like table at the top,
Yeah.
there's like a tube thingy.
Oh. What's it look like?
Oh crap, crap,
Well,
crap.
you saw it.
I don't do. I've seen so many things right now. I don't even know what it's called.
Tube thingy.
Well, it looks. It's just like
Is that an
a
official
giant.
caving term?
It's. Oh, alright.
Oh crap.
Whoa.
Hey.
If we go back that way, show me what you're talking about.
Okay.
Because there's a couple of things back there that would be fun to play with.
Well, like,
What do you mean?
it drops down like this. But
Mhm.
like,
Says we've
there's
lost
like
your
a
youngest son.
cutout, like 2 or 3
I
feet
don't know
up.
where he went.
I'm trying to describe it.
No, I'm talking about your brother.
Was that the, was that after the triangular hole? Or before that?
I think it was like right before it. Yeah, cause we went underneath that one rock, climbed over it, or we could go underneath it, or we could go on the side of it.
Okay.
Oh, you mean when we came up? Like where some of us went under the road, you went over the rocks?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah,
When
Yeah.
you first came through?
yeah.
Okay, I know what you're talking
There
about.
was like a shelf, and there was like
Yeah,
a circular like cutout area that's.
Oh,
on
yeah,
the
I know what
shelf.
you're talking about.
Okay.
I know what you're talking about.
The small one's all the way up in there.
Yeah, that's pretty far back. Yeah.
Yeah, we lost your son. So.
Hey guys!
Hi!
You can go back now.
If you find Robert's treasure, bring me it.
Yeah, if you find the lost treasure, just bring it
You're
here.
gonna clean it, right?
Wait,
On your texts and stuff.
Oh, I thought you meant clean it, like as in laundry.
If you find any Atlantis treasure, let us know.
you guys are
We're
gonna
literally
leave the
not
car
even
and
close
ride
to
back.
the Atlantic.
Listen, you may never know,
It used to be
okay?
an ocean, supposedly.
Yeah, you may never know, okay?
That's
So this
true.
could have been Atlantis' area.
No one here is going to want me in the car on the ride back.
No.
You can ride on the roof.
Are you talking because you're dirty or just because?
I'm very
Hey guys,
much.
you
That
don't
was a
know
wet
an
pack.
ancestor could have been down here and
I
died.
just entered a wet
That's
pack in
Where
mine.
are we
Terrifying
gonna
to think about.
change?
And here's the thing, they could have billiard with them.
You guys brought pillows to change?
Yes.
We
all
brought extra clothes.
I think I did.
You did, I did.
Dad, did you
I did not bring
I told
extra
her-
shoes. I
Somebody's
would
gonna be
leave
riding on the roof.
I would just be my socks. I'm telling you.
That's what the duct tape was for.
That's what you're supposed to wear.
Where are we going?
You're supposed to
Hey, sir.
clothes you bought for your mom's. You're supposed to.
See, I don't know.
Oh gosh.
I don't know how far back that one goes either.
Good one.
Yeah.
That's too small for me.
Well,
I know somebody's been back here. I had some kids go back in here
Yours is?
and play back in there, but I don't know how far back that one goes.
Like for the
I
roof.
can try them out.
Put someone on the roof.
You can poke back in there if you want.
well,
Are we
literally,
retreating now?
Dad, all I have
Is that,
Are we returning?
is that jacket in there. No, I forgot to rock it.
does it go anywhere?
All I have is that jacket.
Somewhere,
and
but
I have
I am daring enough to go through there.
Okay.